Hey guys, Cody with Double C Custom Leather here. Coming to you guys today with a pro tip. If you're not familiar with the pro tips are essentially just a small little quick tip to show you guys something that I've learned along the way from somebody else or from trial and error, and it may save somebody some time and some heartache if leathercraft is one of those things that you've been doing for a while. You might even find some of these tips useful. Today's has to do with doing your edges and dyeing edges. I use wool daubers. If you'll see this wool dauber here, I'm trying to get the camera to focus, but you see all around the edges right here, all the little strands and stray wool fibers. Those will actually pick up dyes. So if you're dyeing your edges with a wool dauber, this is the small size wool dauber. This is what I use to dye my edges. If you're dyeing your edges with a wool dauber, the key to not having some of that dye get onto your finished product, or gum tragicant get onto your finished product, whatever you're using this on your edges, or if you're just trying to apply it a little bit more accurately, what I do is I take this wool dauber, don't put anything on it, especially something flammable, and I essentially singe it with a lighter. And what that does is it will cause the dauber to, all those little frayed hairs will get singed off, and you'll be left with a clean dauber that you can go ahead and do any application with, and you can be very, very accurate with it. When you get done singeing your dauber, make sure you take your dauber and you wipe it off on either a paper towel or something like that. It's going to smell, it is hair, it's going to smell like burning hair, and wipe it off and get all the black off, so that way that doesn't transfer to your project, and you should have a clean dauber. If you guys have any questions, shoot me a comment. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow. Until next time, guys, take care.